Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, Tradesman Level 2 equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear window defroster, satin chrome interior door handles. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, remote keyless entry, bright white clear coat, electric shift on the fly transfer case, spray and bud liner. Gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, STD, tires LT 275/70R18 EBSWS, wheels 18-inch x 8.0 inches, steel chrome clad and black cloth 40